हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ऑल। तो आज का फर्स्ट सवाल है, अपीयरिंग ऑफ ब्लू स्काई इज ड्यू टू स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट, कोहेरेंस ऑफ लाइट, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट और रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट। द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट। नेक्स्ट वन, which committee recommended the inclusion of fundamental duties in the constitution of India? Rai Mehta committee, Sarkaria committee, Saran Singh committee and Raja Mannar committee. Which one will be the right answer? The right answer is Saran Singh committee. Next one, the POX state separates India from which country? It is located between India and Sri Lanka. So option B is the right answer. Next one, Indira Gandhi International Airport is located in Kolkata, Bangalore, Mumbai or Delhi? It is located in Delhi. Next one, who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman, Rabindranath Tagore, Amartya Sen or Abhijit Banerjee? The right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. He won Nobel Prize on Literature. C.V. Raman on Physics or Science, and Amartya Sen and Abhijit Banerjee both on Economy. Next one, to whom does the Public Accounts Committee submit its report? Public Account Committee. The right answer will be, which one will be the right answer? The right answer is Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next one, human heart has how many number of chambers are? This one, human heart. So this has basically 4 chambers. So the right answer is 4 chambers. Next one, which of the following is a base? CO2, NaOH, NaCl or HCl? The right answer is NaOH. जिसका लास्ट में OH होगा वो बेस होगा. Next one, pepsin is secreted from stomach, small intestine, mouth और liver? The right answer is stomach. स्टोमक से 3 सिक्रेशन होता है, एक पेप्सिन, दूसरा HCl और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड और तीसरा म्यूकस. और लिवर इज द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी. लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट, द वेट ऑफ ह्यूमन ब्रेन इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली. ह्यूमन ब्रेन का अप्रोक्सीमेट वेट कितना है? द राइट आंसर इज फ्रॉम 1.2 to 1.5 kg. So here the right answer is 1.3 kg. The color of live wire is, लाइव वायर का वोल्टेज होता है 220 volt. So this voltage means danger. So we generally denoted danger signal by red color. So right answer is red or brown. Next one, fuse must be connected in live wire, neutral wire, ground wire. The right answer is fuse must be connected in live wire. The frequency of Indian electric supply is, the right answer is 50 hertz. 50 hertz and voltage is 220 volt. How many groups are in modern periodic table? There are 18 periodic tables, 18 groups in modern periodic tables and 7 periods. In which liver fulcrum is located between load and effort? Fulcrums, this one fulcrum, this one load and this one effort. So fulcrum is at the middle. If fulcrum is at the middle, then it will be first class liver. So that's all for today.